for apple, A for ant, B for bat, B for ball, b. C for cat and C for cup, k. D for dog, D for dots, d. E for egg and E for elephant, e. F for frog, F for fish, f. G for goat and G for grass, g. H for hand, H for hat, h. I for ink and I for insect, e. J for juice, J for jar, j. K for king and K for kite, k. L for lamb, L for leaf, l. M for man and M for monkey, m. N for neck, N for nose, n. O for ocean, O for oar, o. P for plum, P for parrot, p. Q for queen and Q for quail, q. R for rope, R for rat, r. S for sun and S for sunflower, s. T for tap, T for tub, t. U for uncle, U for umbrella, V for violin, V for violet, v. W for well and W for water, w. X for box, X for fox, Y for yak and Y for yellow, y. Z for zoo, Z for zebra, z.
Let's start our number adventure. This is the number 1. Can you say one? Look, there's one sun, one moon, one you. Everything starts with 1.
One, let's have some fun. One, number 1.
Look inside the classroom. Can you spot one object here? I see one car, one teddy bear, and so many more. Now let's meet the number 2. Can you say 2? Fun fact, 2 eyes to see, 2 ears to hear, 2 hands to clap.
Do, what can we do? Do, count them, do.
Can you spot 2 objects here? I saw 2 shoes over the chair, 2 glasses over the table, and 2 cats under the table. Here's the number 3. Can you say 3? Look, there are 3 little pigs and 3 blind mice. 3 is nice.
3, look and see. 3, count with me.
Can you group the object into 3? I picked 3 cars, dresses, and photo frames from the group of objects inside the room. Meet the number 4. Can you say 4? Fun fact, 4 seasons in a year, 4 legs on a chair, 4 is everywhere.
4, 4, 4, let's count some more. 4, 4, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Look around. Can you group the objects into 4? Here, I see 4 balls, pillows, and bears. Great. Here's the number 5. Can you say 5? Fun fact, 5 fingers on a hand, 5 flowers on the ground, 5 stars in the sky.
5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. 5 by 5, we are alive.
3, 4, 5, 6. Great. I'm here in the fruit stand section in the public market. I will buy 6 pieces of apples, oranges, mangoes, and so much more.
6, 6, 6, pick up sticks. 6, 6, 6, count to 6.
Meet the number 7. 7 is heaven. Hello, I'm Mr. Lemon, and Elle will introduce you to my 7 lemons friend. Count with me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7.
7, 7, 7, up to heaven. 7, 7, 7, count to 7.
Meet the number 8. 8 is great. Oh, I love bananas. I can eat 8 bananas. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 bananas.
8, 8, 8 is an 8, great 8. 8, 8, let's celebrate.
This is the number 9. 9 is fine. Pineapple is a tropical fruit, and I love to eat pineapple. The juice is delightful. Count the pineapple 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9.
9, 9, 9, feeling fine. 9, 9, 9, count to 9.
Finally, the number 10. 10 is a perfect 10. Look at your 2 hands and feet. There are 10 fingers. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Perfect 10.
10, 10, 10, let's count again. 10, 10, 10, we're at the end.
Great job, kids. You've learned numbers 1 to 10. Remember, numbers are everywhere, and they make learning so much fun. See you next time on Learning Numbers Fun.
Let's learn and play! Join us on a colorful adventure as we explore the world of shapes and colors. Perfect for young learners, this engaging video combines vibrant visuals and catchy tunes to make learning fun and easy. Watch now and help your little ones discover the magic of shapes and colors. Learning shapes with fun songs and activities. Today, we're going to have so much fun learning all about shapes. Are you ready? Let's get started. Shapes are everywhere. Can you name some shapes you know? Let's see. There's the circle, square, triangle, and so many more. Let's learn about each one together. First up is the circle. Circles are round and have no corners. Look, here's a ball, a yummy pizza, and a clock. Can you say circle with me? Ready? 1, 2, 3, circle.
Why do circles make us laugh? Because they spin, they whirl, but let's dive into the world of circle, 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 round and round, circle, circle. Rolling on the ground, watch them spin, circles make you win.
Next, let's talk about the square. Squares have 4 equal sides and 4 corners. Here's a gift box, a window, and a chessboard. Can you say square with me? 1, 2, 3, square.
Square, square with sides, all the same square. Square, let's play again. Square, square with 4 corners. The square, square, I see you.
Now, let's see the triangle. Triangles have 3 sides and 3 corners. Look at this slice of cheese, a pyramid, and a traffic sign. Can you say triangle with me? 1, 2, 3, triangle.
Triangle, triangle with 3
learn about the rectangle. Rectangles have 4 sides, with opposite sides being equal. Here's a door, a book, and a smartphone. Can you say rectangle with me? 1, 2, 3, rectangle.
Rectangle, rectangle, long end. Wide rectangle, rectangle, side by side. Rectangle, rectangle, like hey. Door rectangle, rectangle, and so much more.
Now let's look at the oval. Ovals are like circles, but stretched out. Look at this egg, a mirror, and a balloon. Can you say oval with me? 1, 2, 3, oval.
Oval, oval, on and round, oval, oval, on. Look round, oval, oval, like an oval, oval. Stretch your leg.
Finally, let's learn about the star. Stars have points and shine bright. Here's a starfish, a Christmas ornament, and stars in the night sky. Can you say star with me? 1, 2, 3, star.
Star, star, shining bright, star, star in the night, star, star with looks so fine. Star, star, you're divine.
Up, everyone! Now you know all about shapes. Keep looking around and spotting shapes in your world. Don't forget to like this video